two-wheel maniac here. I'm teaching myself to weld. This is going to be my very first weld, so don't laugh at me too hard. I have a piece of sheet metal here. Now it is anodized, so I'm pretty sure it's not going to work the way I want it to, but I have a grinder in there. I'll grab it if I have to. I'm just going to try to do a line weld and see how badly it comes out. So, wish me luck. Hopefully I don't die. Alright, so like I thought, that didn't work. So I'm going to bust out the angle grinder and we're going to angle grind it. And then we'll try again. Well, I have no idea how that came out on camera, but this is the one. Looks like I have my wire speed a little too fast, and I went a little too fast as well. So I'm going to take some pictures, post it with the video, and I'm going to use this as a clip for my intro. So thank you guys. Don't make too much fun of me. It's all trial and error, right? I'll clean up my table. Go through. It's gonna be tough. I need to practice on this because you know what I should do? I should practice in the corner. I gotta grind it. I'm gonna use this approach. This was to a piece of my tool case that I got for my birthday. I guess tool chest. And this was a riser, and I didn't want to rise it because it's not going to fit underneath the workbench in my shed. So I took this out, and but now the top doesn't attach to the bottom, so my plan was to weld it together. So we'll see. I want to get some more practice here. For my very first weld, not atrocious, not great. I wasn't expecting to be the next world's best fabricator, but I'm anxious to see how this turns out. So, thanks guys. Yeah.